If you always struggle between right and left, this may or may not make things a little more difficult. Hopefully you all have your driver's license by now, because the cue, turn right or turn left, can make even the most accomplished instructors think twice. Mirror imaging refers to the art of being able to give visual left and right, forward and back cues to the group from the teaching perspective of the instructor. Obviously, when you face the group from the front of a studio or space, your world is in the mirror image to those facing you. Part of our what instruction is giving clear, concise and accurate cues. We know most people learn by what they see, so you as the instructor will need to give mirror imaging cues as a source of visual demonstration and role modelling. It's a skill to be able to perform it in the first instance, and then to layer on the ability to move between both facing away and facing your group easily and seamlessly. Take a look at the following examples contained in this conditioning complex. Each move has an element of right and left, and some have you travelling laterally or moving forwards and backwards. In the first run through, the instructor is going to show you how the non-mirror image might look and sound. Note some of the pros and cons for delivering in this way as the routine is taught.
Okay, let's get underway. If you want to bring a march up on your right leg. Now we've got an exercise and a routine that we're going to work through. The first one is a leg raise, lift up the back leg and extend forward. Good, change over, left leg comes up. All right, we do one more. Now, little plyo jump forward, turn around. Good, jump to the back, turn to the front. Give me two more, jump forward. Little run to the back. Good. Now, ice skater, side to side. Looking for arms here. Now, back leg range with rotation. Two more. And we march on the spot. Hold there.
Did you notice that although there was the ability to follow the class exactly as the instructor demonstrated, there was no opportunity to connect with the participants through eye contact or facial expressions? Also, unless we had mirrors, there's no ability for the instructor to check on the progress of the class and to possibly correct any poor technique. This time, the instructor is going to face the class and provide the same programming. Let's look at the differences.
Okay, let's get underway. You want to bring a march up on the right leg. Now we've got our workout to get through. 4 exercises. Shall we start off with a back leg raise? Lift the right heel, lean forward. Yeah. Swap sides, lift the left heel. Good. Give me 2 more. Now, exercise number 2. I want you to jump forward and rotate to the back. Jump. Little jog to the back. Jump behind. Jog to the front. Good. Go again. Jump back. Now, can you give me an ice skater, side to side? Yeah. Use the arms, use the legs. Reverse lunge, step back, rotation. 2 more. Now we march on the spot, hold time.
Great. Did you notice the instructor had the ability to see what people were doing and to congratulate them on their efforts? He was also able to add some motivation in with cues to have them work a little harder to get more from the movements. He was clear enough in his cueing to have them do exactly what he needed them to by cueing visually and verbally to reflect their movement and not his own. Now we want to do exactly the same routine one last time and show you how you can move between the 2 perspectives. A great instructor will choose the right time to change views so it's not confusing for participants. Typically, this will be in the simpler moves, not involving direction changes. There's no right or wrong as to when to change between mirror and non-mirror image, but work on the principle that everything should face them unless there's a particularly challenging movement pattern or you want to convey the sense of togetherness.
Okay, let's do it. March on the right leg. 4 exercises. I'm going to come with you for some. I'm going to come against you for some. First leg, lift the right heel and we lean forward. Good. Now lift the left heel. 2 to go. Second exercise. We're going to jump forward, turn around to the back. Now jump to the back. Little turn to the front, jump to the back. Good. Big jump. Okay, can I get a lateral skate to skate? 4 more times. Now, leg raise, step back and lunge. 2 to go. All right, now march on the spot, hold there.
We're going to run the routine without speaking 3 more times. In this section, I want you to imagine the team on screen are your class participants. They'll be doing their right, which will be your left as the instructor. We want you to practice cueing them as your participants in the same complex that you've seen demonstrated. Teach the routine facing the screen 3 times, and then go back to the start and practice the routine changing between mirror and non-mirror or participant image. Each time you go from the top, try and change the position of where and when you turn around, so it starts to feel more natural and fluid at all stages of the complex. We've put 32 counts of marching in between the rounds, so you can get your head together and start the process again. Go back and repeat this drill as many times as you can afford. Remember, practice makes perfect.
away.